Hello everybody, welcome to the Real Life Health Show. I wanted to make this video because it is Christmas Eve right now. I am eating one of the best, healthiest meals anyone could ever eat. And I want to show it to you because a lot of you have questions about what to eat on a raw food diet. And I know I often show here about eating dehydrated meals that my amazing wife makes me. But I've cut back on the dehydrated food because dehydrated food is still processed and it's not ideal. Ideal is what I've been doing for almost 30 years now, and I'm going to show you here now what it is. And specifically, right now on Christmas Eve, when most people are eating some of the worst food in the worst amounts, overeating. It's just crazy. What people are doing is no wonder why so many people get sick around this time. It's not flu season, it's overeating season. That's the issue that everyone's having. But my wife made here an amazing salad. This is one of my favorite salads with greens right from my yard that I picked today in my garden. And also in the salad is mung beans and also lentil sprouts. Best food, best salad, absolutely delicious. And for a dressing, she put a little avocado oil and a little bit of lemon juice, and that's it. Tastes absolutely amazing. But this is the real thing. This is cauliflower rice salad. It's kind of like a Spanish salad. It has cauliflower and it has orange peppers, tomatoes, avocado, and a couple of other seasonings. Absolutely delicious. These go together so well. And the salad, I'll eat the whole salad. This is going to last me maybe 3 or 4 days. It's just such a large amount. It's just absolutely amazing that I could sit here and eat this. And I was just thinking about what people are eating tonight. And I'm like, wow, if they ate this, they feel great tomorrow. And just an example, the recipes, I'll put below the video, but it's just wonderful. And then, of course, I can't do anything without having some of the amazing Basta Aanon. I'll put the link below to that as well. And let me show you what is going on here and what we have going and what I had this morning and I'm going to have tomorrow morning as well. But that is the dinner. So I'm excited to get away from the dehydrated foods, which were a little bit too much for me. And get more back into eating as fresh as possible. But I've always ate this way. I just added raw pizza, but fresh is best. So I try to cut back on a dehydrated food. And there behind me, besides the Vitamix, that amazing, right there, the Nama juicer, starting off my day with fresh juice. And let me just check this out here. Well, here's the juicer, by the way. Absolutely. You have to get that if you're serious about your health. So check this out. This was my breakfast today and tomorrow. I have some soursop. I have some egg fruit, also called canisteel. I don't really like these, but they just happen to fall off the tree, so I got some. These I picked tonight off the tree. These are absolutely delicious. These are sapodilla, also known as nisparo. And then my friend Rita Romano, who's an amazing raw food chef, brought this by here today. It's a raw sprouted granola. She dropped that off as a gift. My baby and wife might enjoy that as well. But this is it. Fresh food right from the tree. And I know not everyone can do this because you're not growing this, but you can buy this. You can order these in the mail. Laura Farms Miami. You can go on their website, laurafarmsmiami.com, and order some of those egg fruit and the sapodillas. I'll put the link below to that. And soursop you could probably get in your local international store or Spanish grocery. As I was eating this, I just said, I got to get on there and this is going to help somebody. Somebody's going to see this and they're going to be like, wow, you know what? He's right. He's right. I don't have to partake in the average meal that everyone's eating tonight, and I can start changing and eating healthy. At least maybe for New Year's Eve, you'll make these recipes. I'm putting the link below. They're not difficult to make, and your body's going to appreciate it. You're going to feel much better for it. So that is just an example of how we roll here at the Real Life Health Show. Until then, everybody, For your comments and questions below. Thanks for watching. All the links are below. Have a great day and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.